Please consider becoming a patron of the Ramen Raider. Patrons receive special benefits like bonus videos, voting on the Patron's Choice Top 10, and early Top 10 list access. Visit patreon.com/the Ramen Raider and become a patron today. Thank you.
Oh hey, how you doing? This is Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day, and today, and tomorrow, and the next day, and it's time for another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time, the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. Hey, I've got something from Hong Kong. Yeah, we've got some Sau Tao Laksa Flavour Ramen. Right there. I have had this before, but the packaging was different. This is more of a, less shiny packaging. So I don't know if it's going to be, slightly different. It's a good excuse to have it again, because the last time I had it, it was pretty freaking good. So let's take a bundle of noodles, drop them in the water, and we give it 4 minutes. So yeah, I've been getting a lot of reviews done lately, which is cool. This week I'm down 1. I should have gotten 2 yesterday, but I was only able to get 1. Mainly because I had to redo my whole computer setup. I had to do a factory reset, and with all the stuff that I used to bring what this is to you. Getting back from that takes a lot of time and a lot of little settings and junk, but pretty much there. But yeah, had some caffeine. This is the same day as yesterday's episode, except now I have caffeine. So I'm happy about that. And I just talked to... There's this company, I'd never seen them before. And they had noodles at the local grocery, and it's... hopefully I'll be able to do meet the manufacturer with them. And interview and all that. But they're out of South Carolina, and they're producing noodles in South Carolina. So that fascinates the heck out of me. So yeah, I don't see why I wouldn't be able to get that. I guess they just started up a year ago. But anyways, what's going on? Yeah, I'm just so stressed out. It's really hard because well, I'll get up close and personal on it, honestly. My mom's health isn't so great these days, and when I was younger, what was that? 25 years ago, my dad died, and I wasn't around, and it's weird. It's like every once in a while, I feel like I'm gonna see him out of the corner of my eye in a crowd. You know what I mean? There's no closure to it. And it's like with this whole coronavirus stuff, it's just really hard. It's like we've just not gone and visited up there. But we're going to. Hopefully. That was the plan. And then now it's like somebody said, well, maybe she should be admitted. So I swear, every 10-15 minutes, it sounds like it goes from this to this to this to this. It's like too much. Too much. But I hope it gets better. I really need it to. So does my mom. But yeah. We'll see how it goes. I think it'll go good. Things will get better. Things will get better, damn it! Been walking. But it's raining, man. I want the weather to get back to the way it was. You know what I really need? I need a vacation. So, if any companies right now want to just go, hey, we want you to come and like hold our packages of noodles up and go like that, you know, I'm your guy. God. You look. I've got a winning personality, a rich, resilient voice, and hey. So, yeah. God, bring me to Asia. Please. I need to go to Asia right now. Well, actually, I guess I don't, because I guess if I went to Asia right now, I'd be under quarantine for 2 weeks, and there's no way this stay-at-home dad can get away for 2 weeks. But all in time. I've got a couple open invites that I'm hoping to take advantage of sooner or later. Oh man. Always wanted to go where this stuff comes from. Always wanted to go to Hong Kong. And whenever I've talked to people while I've been in Asia, it's like, so is Hong Kong pretty rad? Do you like it? Like, it's full of people. That's all I ever get. It's like, oh, you don't want to go there. It's too busy. It's too packed. It's too many people. Like, that doesn't faze me. I like that. People are okay. In Asia. Here, too many people means kind of a lot of pain in the butt, honestly. I don't know, it depends. It's like go to Canada, for example. I don't know, just the people in Canada just seem so much freaking nicer. You go to Walmart in Canada, well, at least the one in Richmond. You go to the Richmond Walmart, and there's like freaking Ferraris in the parking lot. It's like, whoa. It's nice. Everybody and their brother will hold the elevator for you up in Canada. Especially in Richmond. It's true, you. Ladies and gentlemen, my daughter, Miriam. Alright. So our laksa is complete. Ready for trial run. Been watching a lot of Star Trek lately. That's my refuge. Star Trek is my absolute... What are you doing? No. Don't bust the fence. Yeah, Star Trek is my total refuge, ladies and gentlemen. If the world is falling apart, you can always watch some Star Trek. There's some broth at you. Yes. And then you got this noodle that's just like, it's just a nice straight noodle, and then a laksa broth. That right there. Thank you, Sau Tao. My day is better. I'm not kidding. I have that flavor in my mouth right now, and my day just went like up 40 points. I really, really like this one. This one and their Tom Yum. Those two flavor profiles. It's like they've got 30 zillion different kinds of noodles, and then they pair it with all of them. And it works with all of them. I don't know. They got a real winner with this stuff. Okay. Can you see it? Kinda, mostly. Kinda want you guys to all be in the middle. do that for me? You want to stay in the middle? I don't know the Japanese art of noodle folding yet. That's something I want to learn. There is such a thing. It's how to fold your noodles into the middle of your bowl or something. I believe that's what it is. I could be totally wrong. I believe that's what it to be. Now I'm gonna add egg. I just wish I was really good with soft-boiled eggs. Peeling eggs, all of that. I'm no good at it. I've had people literally get mad at me for not being good at it. And so I have like a little bit of egg PTSD. So I just let the egg-o-lette thing here do it. You just like spray some cooking spray in it, crack an egg, drop it in, and boil it for a while, and that's it. Okay. And we got some fish ball. Not trying to sound like Oprah. It's time for some fish ball. Mimi's out there. I don't think you like fish ball, Mimi. She's all right with fish cake. Hey, none of that, none of that. Let's take a little bit of this noodle out of the mix. I want this to look really nice. I want to showcase this broth. Are you talking about Lely Kelly again? So, we've got a Fire TV stick, and then there's like these apps so you can watch TV from other countries. Well, we watched like... It is! She says that so matter-of-factly. But there's these shoes for little girls called Lely Kelly, and they're Italian. And in the commercial it goes, "With Lely Kelly, the unicorn is magic." And then it says it over, "The unicorn is magic. The unicorn is magic." I mean, it's just like, that's the clarion call of little girls everywhere, I'm guessing. Unicorns, magic, come on. And, yeah, so I looked them up. Man, they've got unicorn riding shoes or boots that are like $120. It's like, whoa. Here's some shoes to ride an imaginary creature. I haven't told her that unicorns aren't real. I don't suggest I do. I wish this coriander looked a little better, but... It's magic, Mimi! It is absolute freaking magic. Okay. Yeah, that's not the prettiest looking coriander. Neither is this Thai basil, which really, I don't think that belongs. The bummer, too, is I just got this coriander like 2 days ago. It's all wilty and gross looking. I can't use that. What can I do? Well, can add more mung bean sprouts. I got those. See. Hey out there, you guys tone it down. You're getting a little A little out of hand. Children are getting nutty. Little pepper flake. It really doesn't need it. I was just thinking of adding some Laogan Ma, but I mean, why? Oh, that's what I was... So I got these salt and pepper cashews. There weren't many left, so I put them on the floor and I stomped on them. That's my shoe is a kitchen implement now. But yeah, I think a little bit of these cashews. That's so nice. But I got this too. I am going to add some of this. This is a chili crisp from Singapore. And it's laksa. I think it's fitting. Man, it's good laksa too. Oh. Love sludge, ladies and gentlemen. Love sludge. Day's getting better every little taste. Man, that's good. It's got a nice prawn hit to it. There you go. That's how I'd eat it. I'm going to try not to eat it all, but frankly, I don't know if I have the wherewithal to resist something like this right now. But let's allow Rotato to rotate, motivate, and eviscerate some wonder onto you. Here we go. Alright, fellow noodle friends. I hope you're having a good week. Don't forget to go over to Google Play and go get the Ramen Raider app if you've got an Android phone. If you don't, sorry. Don't forget to go to shop.theramenraider.com. Trying to get this stuff on there. Trouble getting a hold of people for that, but yeah. But anyways, this has been Hans the Ramen Raider, wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one. Goodbye.